Okay, here's a post from Chaka. I hope I said that correctly. I'm sure I didn't. But the question is basically, what's the difference between SRT and titles when using transcription? Because he wants to run it through ChatGPT. So anyway, he got some pretty good advice from the Jam, who said that there really isn't any difference, and the Jam said that he could find the output in STT output. I want to take a shot at this and maybe propose a different and easier solution, and perhaps a little bit less costly. So let's take a look at this. These files, whether you choose SRT or whether you choose titles, the outcome is the same. I'm going to pause for a second. I'm going to bring up some examples. Okay, I had a short clip here in which I'm speaking, and I've added some transcription right here using the speech to text, which then generates the SRT file, the same as if you just select the SRT file. And let me show you what the result of that is. And here we have the results. Anyway, this it looks like it's fairly unusable for submitting into ChatGPT. So I have a different solution. But anyway, this is the text version only. And let me show a different one. It's not the same text, but this is an SRT file. I have it right here, an SRT file. This is the sequence one that I just brought up, and I'm going to bring up the other one, which I've already done. You can see down here, here's the original one that I was just discussing. This is the title only, and this is the selection with SRT. And again, you get all the timestamps in there and line numbers and so forth, and it gets a little bit confusing, especially if you want to take all of that stuff out. I have a different solution for doing this, and let's just explore that. I'm going to reset the scene here. I'm going to simply delete this information here. And that, by the way, when you do that, it doesn't delete it out of the download directory. But here's a different option. I'm going to take the same video clip. I'm going to put it down here. And you'll notice that there is another option. This is the one that's being discussed, speech to text. And the other option is to use this AI text-based editing. It's essentially the same thing. And I'm going to generate the same file right here. But I'm not going to leave Filmora in order to extract the text information. In fact, I'm going to make it much simpler. Using this is technically a two-step process. That is, you look at what you've got here. It's got all the information, just like it did before here in the individual things. It shows you where it is. Now, all the text is right here. Technically, when you're using this, you export it to the timeline, and this part goes away, and then you can do further editing of the text. But this is technically everything that you want right here, all of these clips. And you can do this nice little feature right here, delete all silent clips. Now we have exactly what we want. We have just the text, we highlight it, we do a copy, and we call in our, I don't have ChatGPT. I only have Copilot, so I'm just giving a demonstration how you can just paste the text right in. Paste the message right in there, and I could execute it. Now, I'm not looking for anything specific, but the concept is the same. You just want to have an easy way to extract the text information, and to me, this is the way you would do it. Now, by the way, I should just back up, and I'm just going to kill this thing here. We're going to cancel it or close it. We don't need it. I said use the AI text-based editing And I'm doing it off of the toolbar menu. And if you don't see it on the toolbar menu, click on these icons right over here. You get a list of all of your choices. Here's your speech to text, text to speech, and AI translation. These are the three things that kind of work together. But anyway, if you don't see this AI one, then you would simply drag it up to the timeline, and there it is. You'd click save, and then you have it. So that's how it works.